Hi guys, so back at it, the Ohrex sat nav, power buttons under my thumb, just give that a push and it'll power on. I'm only going to give a real quick unboxing and sort of first impressions of this, but I have to say I'm really impressed. I've had one like it before, but the map quality on this is much better, and you can do a couple of other things like move it around with your fingers rather than having to zoom in and zoom out. But anyway, click on GPS navigation, which is basically what you're going to use it for. You can get an adapter that allows real-time live updates to come through. They've sent me one that I haven't got it plugged in at the moment because I've just sort of unboxed it and got it out. Confirm the parameters, and then we're looking for the destination. Now then, my destination, click on find address. I'm going to click select town because I've got an idea where I'm going. And one of the good things you can do on this is move the map with your fingers. It drops a little red arrow. You'll have seen it pop up there where it's expecting you to go. The red arrow is the destination that it's going to search for if you do decide to search. So I'm looking for a little place just outside Roales, which is there, look, Roales, and I've actually already put it in, but all you do is, I'll show you, you click on that and it drops the red arrow. You click next and it's asking, do you want to put in a new route? We'll say yes, even though the route's already in. Yes. Confirm the parameters for your vehicle again, and it gives you the overview there, so you can quickly see whether or not it's got the right place or it's making a total disaster of the job. Going to arrive in 35 minutes and it's 13 miles. So there it is. It's the blue arrow is me. It's telling me to obviously go back up this road, turn right, blah blah blah. The distance is 13 miles. The time left is 37 minutes. That counts down. This bar up the side will move up towards your destination. This one gives you turn by turn routing if you want it. I don't use it, to be fair. I'm not that keen on it. If you go into the menu and press route options and overview, it'll give you the overview of the route, so on a bigger map, so you can make sure that it's taking you to the right Roales and all the rest of it. But yeah, as I say, it's a great little tool. Compared to the 500 quid sat nav I've got, this does almost everything that one does. Mine's got a couple of little options. You may or may not need them. I was lucky enough to get a good deal on it. Bought it through work, all the rest of it. But in fairness, Ohrex have sent this through to me. I'm not getting paid for it. They've asked me to give it a mention on the channel, and so far I have to say it seems very good. The price range is absolutely astounding. 75 quid with 5% off, it drops it down near 70 quid. For a HGV sat nav with programmable dimensions, I think it's an absolute bargain. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please, if you want to know any more about it, take a look in the description below. I've put a link to the website and all the rest of it. But in the meantime, thank you very much. I'm going to go back. I'm going to exit that because I don't need it anymore. It'll come out of that system, and then, likely with my thumb up the top there, just shut it down. And there we go. Ohrex sat nav GPS. Give it a check, guys.